What is up, guys? We are at Donnelly Park in Turlock, California. We're supposed to be getting a lot of rain this upcoming week, so just wanted to check out a new park, get some flight time in before I can't fly anymore, so let's do it. There's a little skate park right here. That's cool. Battery got 96%, about 18 minutes remaining. I got some comments about that, so as you can see, at a 95% battery, this is fairly new. I've had this drone for a few weeks now, so the battery health is pretty good on it. Let's try to find some. There's people right there. Woo! That was cool. There I am right there to the left of the frame. Battery's at 90%, still getting around 18 minutes or so. And I'm in normal mode right now, full throttle at about 18 miles per hour. Just scoping it out. I've been to this park. I used to live nearby as a kid. Just never flown here, so just scoping it out with the drone. About 5 feet off the ground right there. Or off the water, I should say. I saw some volleyball poles right there. I don't think they had nets, so maybe we drop down and do some weaving. I also don't see any people here. There's one guy over there, but weave, weave, weave. Doing these weaves at about 8 miles per hour. Not too fast, but hey, getting some practice in. Battery 77%, about 14 minutes remaining of flight time. I've been recording for 4 minutes now, so yeah. A little under what was advertised, but it's kind of windy here. 1 foot off the ground. Go through this palm trees. Got a surveillance camera right there. I don't know if you hear the geese in the background. They might be here to attack me for flying close to them. I don't know. Climb, 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 climb. This is 100 feet. This is what Donnelly Park looks like at 100 feet. Nosedive from 200 feet. It's really windy up there, huh? All right. I think it's time to bring it home. All right. Thanks for watching. That was a fun little fly around Turlock. It's already getting cloudy, so looks like the rain is here sooner than later.